This morning, this is a short video on the maintenance on our M&R Cobra screen press unit. We're going to be talking about the circulating fan that keeps the control unit down at the bottom of the actual carousel itself cool for operations. The maintenance is very simple. There is a small filter over the actual fan unit, and you can see this one is very well maintained. There is filter media that from time to time you want to pull out and pull the dust bunnies off of. There's just a lot of dust and fuzz down here underneath the unit that's stirred up just from normal operations in the shop, as well as the garments going around the carousel. The removal of it just snaps off and then snaps right back on. While I'm down here, also identify the servo battery unit. It is not time for us to change the batteries, so we won't actually be doing that procedure this morning, but that is it. That is this device right here, and all it requires is a Phillips screwdriver, but we'll do that at a later time, and I'll be replacing this filter guard. All right, hope this was helpful.